In the family tree of Adam and Eve, we determined that the period from Noah to Noah was 1056 years. We know that Noah lived between 2705 and 2948 BC. Therefore, equals 1056 plus 2948 equals in total. It is understood that he lived in 4000 BC. Based on the data we have and the results confirmed by the narratives of 4 religions, it is understood that Adam and Eve lived 6024 years ago. It is assumed that the place where Adam and Eve lived, called the Garden of Eden, that is, the Garden of Eden, is in the Mesopotamia region. The Torah, the Bible and Islam agree on this region. It is depicted that Noah lived in the same region. The place where Adam and Eve lived, called the Garden of Eden, that is, the Garden of Eden, is in agreement about this region. It is assumed that he is in the Mesopotamia region. The Torah, the Bible and Islam agree on this region. Noah is depicted as living in the same region. They reconcile. Noah is depicted as living in the same region. Do these data match the findings? How can Göbekli, which dates back to around 9600 to 9500 BC, exist 3000 to 4000 years before the birth of Adam? Or this fossil, found in Ethiopia in 1994, dates back to approximately 4.4 million years ago. How can we explain why he is considered one of the first human ancestors to walk on 2 legs? Or who could have made the man-made tools found in the Olduvai Gorge in Tanzania, approximately 2.6 million years ago? Fossils dating back 195,000 years, found near the Omo River in 1967, how can it belong to the same species as today's modern human? The paintings found in the Chauvet cave in the Ardoc region of southern France date between 30,000 and -32,000 years ago. These cave paintings depict horses, lions, mammoths, rhinos and other animals in human forms. It dates back to approximately 17,000 years ago. Lascaux cave in the Dordogne region of France contains rich animal paintings, human figures, some hunting scenes and stylized human figures made around 15,000 BC. Many questions like these await answers. Moving on to other scientific data, why did the children of Adam become the creators of different languages while speaking the same language? Is it possible that both physiological and biological differences occurred in this short period of 4,000 years? For example, the development of the anatomical structures, vocal cords, and brain structure necessary for speech are important in understanding the origin of language. As a result, it takes thousands of years for a spoken language to form and reach a certain level of maturity. As a result of the findings, it is difficult to pinpoint an exact date for when human spoken language emerged, but scientific estimates suggest that language may have emerged at least 50,000 to 100,000 years ago. Genetic and anthropological findings, scientific research shows that modern humans, Homo sapiens, emerged approximately 200,000 years ago. Mitochondrial Eve, DNA structure carried by mothers, that is, according to mitochondrial DNA analyses and Y-chromosomal Adam analyses, mitochondrial Eve, the common Y-chromosomal and mitochondrial ancestor of all living humans, supports the partnership of humans approximately 150,000 to 200,000 years ago. Our mission is to reveal the facts in our research. We evaluated the genealogical history and dating results of Adam and Eve. And we compared the findings. In our next study, we will discuss the view of Eve and Adam in the Alevi belief and why the Nasi path defines a different lineage from the lineage of Adam. We will examine the contradictory statement of a Bektashi group that named